Hello, I'm Srilata, Chief Clinical Nutritionist, Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Today we'll be talking about the health of liver, how do we cleanse it and how to keep it very healthy. Basically, liver is our largest organ in a human body. It does various functions. Majority of the functions are done by liver in the gastrointestinal system. So it helps in storing of vitamins and minerals. It helps in synthesis of albumin, which is an important protein, as well as coagulation proteins it synthesizes. And it also helps in bile production. It also helps in excretion of hormones. It also helps in excretion of bilirubin. It detoxifies the drugs which we consume. It metabolizes the important nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It also helps in storage of glycogen, which is broken into glucose for the energy purpose. So liver as such has got excellent functions in our body. So how do we keep that healthy? So ideally, we need to eat a healthy diet. Few foods which are present in our diet acts like a nutraceuticals which keeps the liver healthy, especially garlic. It's a potent antioxidant. It's an antiviral. It helps in lowering the cholesterol. It also is an antiviral and an antibiotic. So it is an anti-inflammatory even. So when we take at least 3 garlic pods, which is crushed freshly along with your roti or rice, it should help in the liver health. Likewise, ginger again is an anti-inflammatory and an antibiotic. So this also helps really for the liver. So do take at least 1/4 teaspoon of ginger juice or crushed ginger, at least 1 inch in your diet, which can be added to your lemonade or it can be added to any food. So that should help the liver. Again, we have turmeric or haldi, which is again a very good antibiotic, antiseptic, antiviral, and an anti-inflammatory. It also helps in diuresis, that is excretion of excess water in the body in the form of urine. So at least 1/4 teaspoon of your haldi or turmeric to be added in plain water or can be added in lemonade. So that is again boosting the health of the liver. Commonly used lemon is again important because of its vitamin C. This particular vitamin C present in lemon detoxifies the liver by removing the fat upon it. It oxidizes the fat, it nourishes the liver. So at least 1 glass of lukewarm water along with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice can be consumed, or a normal plain water along with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice can be taken, which again helps for the liver health. So basically the food what we eat will take care of the liver health, and certain foods what we take them will also destroy the liver, especially like your sugars, your processed foods, your all deep fried items or your trans fat rich foods and your fatty foods, and at times your alcohol and few of the medications can damage the liver. So basically when we take large amounts of sugars, we can land up with fatty liver. This increases the triglycerides in your body and fat in the abdomen as well as liver. It can lead to NAFLD, NASH, and complete liver failure even. So we should be very careful, reduce the sugar content in your diet or try to stop sugar for few days. Again, fatty foods or processed foods again can lead to fatty liver and damage the liver. So try not to eat processed foods, or very rarely in small amounts we can add few amounts of your processed foods. Likewise, alcohol in large amounts and frequently consumed can lead to alcoholic liver disease and completely liver can be failed. So alcohol occasionally in moderation can be taken for few people, not for everybody. Again, we should be very careful about this. Certain diseases wherein we take treatment, these drugs can also lead to liver failure. So patients who are suffering from tuberculosis tend to take anti-tuberculosis treatment. These drugs also can damage the liver. At times, paracetamol can also cause the liver failure. So we should be very careful when we take all these painkillers. So limited amounts or advised by doctor can be taken. So monitoring is required. So try to avoid unhealthy food. Keep doing a regular exercise. eat healthy foods which I have mentioned, maintain an ideal body weight, then definitely the liver will be healthy and the life is also very soothing.